Alright guys, it's a big raining. Oh, big rainy day. Oh, heavy raining today. Alright, see the rain. How raining is it? Wow, that's really nice. Rain is well. I never seen that kind of raining in here. That's big rainy day. Oh, see how looking nice is that? It's very nice and rainy. Rainy day, rainy day. So that's called rainy day UK. Huh? How nice is it? Yes, very nice and rainy. So how is look like a rainy day in the United Kingdom and Europe? Have a look. So I'm in outside in the garden. So this is a look at big rainy. Raining, very rainy. It's really nice and bit rainy and this rainy day. Okay, this is very nice and rainy day. That's a look really nice and rainy and for today. Nobody's seen that before, the rainy day video. This is my fun. This is how it look like a rainy day in the UK. So that's why I'm making the video. I cannot go in outside. That's why I'm making video. It's raining video. You can see the loss of water in behind of me. Lots of water right here. That's really nice. That's really beautiful. That's really beautiful. Well, how it look like rainy? Let's see the big flower. Rainy day is flower is. Oh, this is a really flower. You can see the flower in here. So lots of water is coming in here, and I took my umbrella, and I'm in tent, and inside the tent. So that's really beautiful. That's really nice. That's really beautiful. So this is the really beautiful. So how it look like a rainy day. So please see the rainy day. How it look like a very nice big shine. So keep watch the rainy day. How it look like a rainy big raining. So basically UK weather is it's always is like that because it's no one can see in the UK weather always dry or always raining. So the basically UK weather is sometimes is rain, sometimes is shiny. So cold weather is, I think, all of the year is cold. But some days feel hot, like the summer. there is like a summertime, few days or few months, that this is a hot weather, and not always, a few days. So that's a rainy, that's for a rainy day, and it's really that's really I think enjoyable. I never know. Oh, you know that some people tending like a forest, so I'm feeling my enjoyment. I'm enjoyable, like I'm in tent and raining in there. I'm in the forest, so the rainy. Well, I can see the rainy day, so we bit raining in there. So really enjoyable. Ooh, I've said I enjoyed it. It's raining either though. It's good wait, wait. So therefore I'm enjoy it. There's a bit raining in here. It's a bit water in coming and down there. So my coffee is finished. So I have to buy another coffee. And see the rainy in the rain. That's the big rainy day. Wow, so beautiful. Wow, so beautiful. I don't know some people like or not, but 2 days of my, or like a last few video, this is my best video, and I enjoying. I mean, rainy in the rain, and in the tent. See the tent. Look at the tent. In the tent is this small tent in here. So in the bed, I'm sitting in the bench. So really is enjoyable. Really is nice. If I see the video, if I sit on here, you can see the loss of water behind me. The rain is through. So today topic is my, you know that this video I can tell you about raining. The UK all of the year you can see the rain, but not like a heavily rain and not like a like a less. You know some Asian country like a Bangladesh or other Asian country, you can see the rain is through like 2, 3, 4 months heavy raining, and I think almost time is not raining in Asia. So when is raining is heavily raining, catch and dog, like heavy raining, and when is dry season, like all over the dry. And some people dry is some people been dried in heavy. Some people, well, in Asian country, if heavily rain, people die. If highly like summer weather, shiny day, lots of people die by hot. Well, it's stop. And some people when raining in the under the water, some people die. And when it's cold weather, a lot of people die in by cold. For cold, because they have not enough space or enough hot cloth to use. So some people died for the rain, you know, that like a rainy water. So this is basically in Asian country. Many people die for flood. Many people die in the like a cold weather. Wow, that's not well. Actually, this is very sadable, and you can see that some of the human lots of people been died in the water. And when is water fall down is like loss of people, loss of selby. You know, the loss of farmer, the lost all of crops. So some people, none of the Bangladesh is like more than 60% people in farmer. So they are depend on farming. Involved with the farming. So when they lost in the crops and everything, some people died. Some people, you know, some you people maybe had it. Some I had it. Someone hanged, some farmer hanged for, you know, the loan of farmer loan it and cultivate the land. So after is a loss of raining, so all of under the water, so the farmer been hanged himself for loan. He took the loan, and well, he scared how he pay for his loan. That's why he been hanged himself. He killed himself. So many happening, many things is well, this kind of happening in Asian country. So you can see the raining in over here, all over here. This is the raining. That's all over here. You can see that's all over the raining, all over the raining. Okay, this is raining in, very raining. So today I believe today all of the time will be raining. So not much dry, and I believe today I will make in another 2 video. My target is today the 4 video making, so I'm making today another 2 videos, and that's because I can make any more video in outside the the tent, and I can go out for the rain of reason of raining. So will you enjoy? If you like my videos, and please like and share, subscribe my channel. And if you don't like, please don't put any negative comment. If you like, well, you put some comment. I will happy to see your comment, and I will happy to make another video. And please, well, if you put the nice comment, then I will get more impression. You know what I mean? So to make another video, to another video, and my video is basically much more pets, bird, pets, animal, natural, flower, tree, planting, gardening. This is my videos. I'm not making any other thing. My topic is like this kind of all of natural. I feel my good when I'm making some video which is natural, tree, planting, animal, and pet, birds. So that is my hobby, and that is I'm making video for myself. But well, basically it's not only for reason to put the video in YouTube. I'm also enjoying in making any video, any of the video making that. So that's the main thing I can. Today you can see the today more raining. You can see the more raining. Oh, that's the heavy raining now. See? Now you can feel the more raining here. The very big, good raining. It is heavily raining. Or you can feel, you people can see well or not, but this is a, see, in the heavy raining, I'm in outside, in the tent. Okay? So that's what I'm doing, and I'm making the video for, actually, I'm wait almost I'm wait with raining water. So, but still I'm enjoying, because I'm making the raining video.